Ever wonder if the land that you own or you want to buy has rebuild or subdivide potential? Watch this video before you decide. To identify rebuilding or subdivision potential, you need to understand what qualifies as terraces, semi-detached, and bungalow, because these classifications directly affect what you can build or if your land could be subdivided. The jargon frontage that I will be using in this video is the distance across the front of your land, which is the part that faces the road, illustrated on the image above. Now let's break it down. Terrace houses has two types. Type 1 should at least have a 150 square meter of land size and minimum frontage of 6 meters. For Type 2, a minimum of 80 square meter with the same 6 meters width. Semi-detached and corner terraces should have a minimum land size of 200 square meter and minimum frontage of 8 meters. Bungalows needs a minimum land size of 400 square meters and minimum frontage of 10 meters. Good class bungalows, GCBs, which are only allowed in specific zones, generally has a minimum land size of 1,400 square meters and minimum frontage of 18.5 meters. So why land classification matters? It decides whether rebuild or subdivision is possible. For example, you can't simply split a bungalow into two semi-detached plots unless each new plot meets URA's minimum land size and width, and the zoning of your area allows semi-Ds. Likewise, if your existing land is larger than the minimum requirements, you might have the potential to subdivide or rebuild, but that depends on both your landed zoning and URA's approval. Understanding the minimum criteria under URA's guidelines helps you uncover hidden value in the land and make smarter buying or redevelopment decisions. Curious if your land has rebuild or subdivision potential? Message me landed classification and I'll send you a simple guide showing how to check the potential of the land so you'll know exactly what the land can become before you buy or rebuild.